Welcome. Thank you all for having me today and taking the time to listen to my pitch. I'm Christopher Windish. I'm the Director of North American Sales for Allganize. A little bit about our company. We were founded in 2017. We've had a seed round funding and we've had Series A. And today we've raised $15 million and we have offices in the United States, Korea, and Japan. We work with a lot of large enterprises, a lot of Fortune 500 companies because our solution is easy to implement and it scales really well. One such example is FinSvc, which is one of the largest financial institutions in Japan. They were working with IBM Watson, and they got their AI model to a good accuracy rate of above 90%. Unfortunately, it took nearly a year, and the effort to maintain it was daunting. So they went to the market to find another AI competitor that was more nimble. Allganize was the only company that could reach the accuracy level of IBM Watson, but we did what they did in a year in only 2 months. And that's at the heart of what we do. We know that finding answers today is a frustrating process. IDC says we all take 2.5 hours a day wasting time trying to find the right information. In insurance, that information could be for an agent, for a customer, for an analyst, for another knowledge worker. And traditionally, we do keyword searches. We get a list of documents, we comb through the documents trying to find the right answer. With Allganize, we try to make finding that answer easier. You can ask a question, not a keyword, but a full sentence question. With natural language understanding, we understand the intent and the context, and we can build Q&As and we can search through unstructured text and get you the right paragraph in the right document with the right answer. Our solution is used in a variety of different ways. From document intelligence, we have customers that are searching 10,000 plus contracts and policy documents for a single answer, or extracting information from those documents. On the customer service side, we support agents that are supporting internal employees or customers, giving them the right answer. We also offer product sentiment, so you can understand if there's reviews or other comments internally. Are they negative? Are they positive? And what was the intent? As well as our empowered employee solution, since we integrate with collaboration tools like Slack or Teams to give employees answers quicker and better. Our solution can be used as an API into your existing applications, or we provide a dashboard for powerful search, or we have an answer bot as well. We work with a number of different documents. Could be text, could be image documents, could be complex tables, spreadsheets, PDFs, you name it. We can extract and tag those documents. And as I mentioned, we work with Slack and Teams for internal collaboration or external collaboration. Here's at the heart of Allganize. What we do is we process the documents quicker. So we understand someone who's asking in a mortgage situation, they're considering purchasing their first home. Now we understand with our AI engine that we can classify the intent as a mortgage application. And as you see, we can also do entity extraction and extract information such as who the borrower is, the loan amount, the date of the contract, etc., from those documents. So why Allganize? As I mentioned, speed to market. We really don't require a lot of manual data tagging. It's done automatically by the engine. Best-in-class accuracy, and it's enterprise ready. As you saw our list of blue chip customers, we are deployable at scale. How do we do this? Self-supervised learning, transfer learning, multitask learning. We leverage a lot of publicly built models and publicly available data to pre-train our models. And our models will continue to learn as you use them, which takes a lot of the manual hours and effort away from the current solutions on the market that have to be manually trained. So I just want to go over quickly a couple of use cases. We have one customer that was servicing and receiving over 10,000 support tickets per month. With our solution, our answer bot was able to automate over 60% of those support tickets, saving them from having to manually address 20,000 tickets in a 4-month period. Obviously, a significant savings. Secondly, we have a customer where their internal HR, IT, and finance were receiving 500 plus help desk tickets per month. With our answer bot and the way our model was automatically trained and Slack integration, we automated 81% of those internal help desk tickets, saving them 56% of working hours for the employees and agents that were answering those tickets. For another customer, an insurance agent was manually reviewing hundreds of emails that they received from customers with several attachments. What our solution did was scan all of the emails as well as the attachments, and we could understand and classify the text in the emails. So we knew if it was a request for a renewal, we knew if it was initiating a policy or was a complaint, and we understood what each of the attachments were for. And that saved their agents that were analyzing the emails over an hour and a half per day. And last, We have a customer where employees were spending their day simply reviewing policy documents and manually tagging them with over 500 phrases to categorize the data. And that's what you need to do with most solutions. Go into the documents, read the paragraphs, understand the intent, and categorize them with different hashtags. We do that automatically and out of the box. So our text classification was able to automatically recognize the purpose and intent of each of the paragraphs in the document and hashtag them automatically, which saved them over 2 hours a day of combing through those documents and the manual labor they needed to classify text. So in a nutshell, why Allganize? We save you the 2.5 hours per day that IDC says employees waste looking for information. We find you the right answers. We can get you to over 90% accuracy in a very short amount of time. Most of our implementations, even for large-scale customers, are 2 to 3 months to get to that level of accuracy. As I mentioned, we deploy in less than 3 months for most of our customers. We're enterprise ready and we've got pre-built integrations. So thank you all for learning a little bit more about Allganize. I hope we get to speak further and have a great day.